Yeah, even after bills take effect here in Oklahoma, advocates remind women there still will be options. The Supreme Court would kick over that decision to the states, meaning women looking for an abortion could travel out of state.
So Oklahomans right now are traveling. We don't expect that to change. However, they may have to travel further, which is difficult.
If the Supreme Court reverses the landmark abortion ruling of Roe v. Wade, women in Oklahoma would have to leave the state to find that option.
People that have means and can afford it will just leave and get the care that they need.
23 states, including Oklahoma, have already moved to ban the procedure. This map from the Washington Post shows 25 states offer some access to abortion. Colorado is the closest state likely to continue offering protected access.
These simply are economic justice issues. People of means who want to get an abortion that can travel will travel. And it will be poor folks and Black Oklahomans and Indigenous Oklahomans that will be forced into a pregnancy that they may not want.
Some lawyers are looking into legal means of keeping abortion access in Oklahoma, but they admit it's a long shot.
Our Oklahoma State Supreme Court could find that there is a right to an abortion in our state constitution. And if that were the case, then the overturning of Roe v. Wade would have no impact.
It's important to note that that leak from the Supreme Court is not a formal ruling. Abortion is still legal nationwide, but that leak does suggest that could change come June.